Mm.
Bushy hello water got me trying, looking for a condom in my trousers. My baby like to play around. Nothing but a beauty queen. She make it look so easy. No one else can compare. She know what she doing.
Bushy hello water got me trying, looking for a condom in my trousers. My baby like to play around for hours. Fuck that, turn around, girl, let's get nasty. I know you got a lot of ass to handle. Let's turn off the lights and light a candle. Fucking you so crazy in your bathroom until you think I'll wait till you're the magic. I fuck you like a madman. No, baby, I'm a bad man. That pussy dripping down on my leg. I turn fucking you to a passion. I fuck you like a madman. Oh baby, I'm a bad man. That pussy dripping down on my leg. I turn fucking you to a passion. Never thought my baby's chill. I met you the way you riding me. We might just have some touch you up.
I wasn't ready for no kid, then happy that you got a voice. You doing makeup on the same hoe I was sneaking on you with. I'm dapping up the same nigga you creeping on me with. We thought we got past that. You told me that was the last time. I thought you got past that. Your ass is getting mad right. You see you got a new man and a little one on the way too. I remember not having no car, but for you I'm on the way through. Hate that happened to you. I should've tuned, they said your nigga killed you. So many memories. You gon' tell Facebook, just look at that whole message. I was out in Houston, I would read now, okay. I'm not being this I just know that when your brother. We the first day to ever 2 seasons, enough for being a brother. I'm not a fool, go tell your shoe, we not a couple. Go need your purse, you fucked around and drop a rebel, who this for? You my bitch and we be fucking wrong every time. Bitch, who this fuck? That bitch that played before. Never mind. Love you, I don't wanna be right. Cause you been right, been without you. I'd rather live wrong, doing life. Oh, she gon' leave you if you go back rough day. Oh, she gon' leave you if you go back rough day. Long as I got you by my side, they talk about what they want, I don't even care what the other people say. I remember them, but now I'm so long. He was home, that they ain't friend. And the kid was gon' so long with the tribe, but they ain't win. She gotta pull up on me, no little trouble. I ain't staying over. I don't give a fuck where we at, being simple. I ain't playing over. Can't believe you told me. I thought I said he can. Even though we stand up niggas, that don't mean go take a stand. Move to the cooks, last time cut diamond. Gotta try to wait for you, back claim when you playing. I'm doing the Russian professor, violence. You inflation on me, so whatever you do, they gon' blame me for it. You ain't dirty fake, cause I'm the next when you report. Fully auto, he died in the shoot, I didn't even know he started. I ain't got no motion, he flexing baby money like 3 artists. Why the fuck you try to play me like a decoy? Why the fuck you ain't tell me to take no plane from the deep part? I really need to stop it, I don't like being taxed. Love you, I don't wanna be right. Cause you been right, been without you. I'd rather live wrong, doing life. Why she gon' leave you if you go back rough day? Why she gon' leave you if you go back rough day? Long as I got you by my side, they can talk about what they want, I don't even care what the other people say.
I just be low like young got no money, they calling me splurge. Why me jump around the curve? Bet this right fly like a bird. Spin on the first and the third. Solid, I'm keeping my word. Can't be my equal, I know what you heard. Crack up the phone, I swear. Keep me a super big purge. Young got no money, they working my nerves. I'm about to pull some serve. Fucking this bitch like a perm. Smack on the back, I'm a perm. Ice, the bird. Shitting on all you little turds. Can't take that dick when you turn. In my own lane, we can't merge. So no help you can learn. Let's see how much you can earn. Why me go big like the worm? And I ain't checking no shirt. I'm in the big keep peace. All of my bitches is pretty, they showing their titties and up to the ceiling. I let my run through a million, I rock with a really, let's fuck on a billion. I'ma get down to the gritty, then fuck up the city, the home of the villains. Ecstasy wonderful feeling. Smoke out the pound, I'm chillin'. Trappin', I made me a killer. Look, I got everybody wishing. I hope you play your position. I don't want nobody listening. I see the whole precision. Give us my only. Don't got no money back calling me splurge. I been jump right off the curb. Bet this run fly like a bird. Spin on the first and the third. Solid, I'm keeping my word. Can't be my equal, know what you heard. Crack up the foreign, I swear. Keep me a super big urge.
Lot of model bitches check for me, nigga don't check for me unless you got check for me. I kept a stick like a hoe, no checking me. Way back when D-Lo had to slide and trust you. So many hoes had to get up, I said to me. She left her body home and brought her neck to me. I did a walk through, they sent a check to me. Y'all niggas show price less than my trophy. One of my arms were protected. Watch so much that a car came with it. Back in the day, I used to roll with no mask on. Shit on my wrist, I would've killed the whole house full. And I went to school high, I ain't go to class though. I was with the OGs, learning about the glass bowl. With the dudes, 5 mama, keep my ass, bro. Break yourself, you was brains on the dashboard. I'm with Sin and Lil Baby, yeah. We got more choppers this fool. Before rapping, on God, I was trapping. Sneaking my Glock and liqueur, on God. I got my cake from Osama Bin Laden. Lil' nigga, he signed this shit. Straight up. I'm for a gang, if you reach for my chain, then a nigga gon' die in this bitch. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, wagon, y'all nigga doing that big cat. I ain't with the finish shit, close thing, y'all get into a handshake, B clap. Yo, mama gon' have to make a go for me. Y'all niggas keep doing that sneak jab, nigga. We just had to keep the whole wood just to make young savage this motherfucking meat jack. Meet me at the rock star. At the top of the car. You on the Bible, you don't know what I deserve. Keep me without it. Have you fit for the war. Shit like the positive. I'm just stick with the boy. That shit to catch up.
Can I get a window seat? So finally I'm standing here right now. You're so demanding. Tell me what you want from me. Concluding, concentrating on my musing over and the papers. Baby, wanna ask you later before we kick it out of town. So can I get a window seat? Hey. Don't want nobody next to me. I just wanna take it out of town and look around and I say, count. I just want a chance to fly, a chance to cry in a long time. But come back, baby, come back. I want you to leave me. Come back, hey, come back, baby, come back. Leave me. Come back, baby, come back. Want you to come back, baby, come back. So I don't mind, I'm just back and forth between here and home. I don't wanna time travel no more. I wanna be here.
So much dope that it broke the shell. They say crack kills, nigga, my crack sell. My brother in the kitchen and he rapping the bell. Louis V my bag and Louis V on my belt.
I've been drinking. I get filthy when that liquor gives it to me. I've been thinking. Why can't I keep my fingers off it, baby? I want you, nah, nah. Why can't I keep my fingers off it, baby? I want you, nah, nah. Cigars on ice, cigars on ice. Feeling like an animal with these cameras all in my grill. Flashing lights, flashing lights. You got me pity, 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 baby. I want you, nah, nah. Can't keep your eyes off my petty daddy. I want you, nah, nah. Drunk in love, I want you. We woke up in the kitchen saying hi. fluorescent under these lights. Boy, I'm drinking. Walking in my life, 7 living. I'm rubbing on it, rubbing. If you scared, call that ribbon. Boy, I'm drinking. Get my brain right. I'm on the run, yeah, gangsta wife. Louis sheets, he sweat it out like wash rags. He wet up, boy, I'm drinking. I'm singing. On the mic to my voice, hoist, then I fill the tub up halfway, then ride it with my surfboard. Surfboard, graining on that wood, graining on that wood. I'm swerving on that, swerving on that. Big body been serving all this, surfing all and it's good.
I am your taste. Yeah, my mind. Yeah, my mind. I said 5 in the morning. I wake up to 5 for my yarn. Fear in my mind is a warning. Pray to the one you're relying. I've been wandering all day. Tried to be fine, but I can't be. The noise in my mind wouldn't leave me. Tried to get by, but I'm burning. I'm behind, my mind it runs. All these thoughts are troubling. Fighting to give up my pain. Fighting to be on my lane. My mind running to the other side. When it's time to leave my life, then it tries to take me out. Tell you what I need. Right yet, I really need time. I need to free my mind. I really need to free my mind now. I really need I need to free my mind. I really need my love, yeah. This is the peace that you cannot buy. Send me a love that you cannot mix. One is the joy that you cannot waste, and the other one price that you cannot fix. This is the peace that you cannot buy. Find it a way when you cannot see. Man with this system, you cannot pray. I need to find relief. But behind my mind it runs. All these thoughts are agony. I need to give out my vein. I need to be on my lane. My mind running to the other side. When it's time to leave my life, then it tries to take me out. Tell you what I need. I really need my love. I need to free my mind. I really need your love. I need to free my mind now. I really need your love. I need to free my love. I really need your love. To set me free, freer than the open mind, farther than the eyes can handle, freer than the ocean now. Yeah, so set me free. Now I need to find release. Set me to the open sky. Now I need to free my mind.
Yeah, everything. If it's love, then baby, put it on me.
Couple them the logo, let the hustle take its course. I let you fuck me once, you wanna make me yours. Gucci shopping bags, I stuff them in a 4x4s. Stop at Louis, post a picture, kill him, no remorse. Kill a license, light a candle, come and fuck the boy. Whisper nothing's in my ear, you know that I'll enjoy. What you talking, not a problem, cause I handle yours. 50 stacks in pocket, really just for amateurs. Licking on your neck, might wake up pissing in a cup. Fruit girl at bottles on ice just for me to bust. When you do it like I do, I make you fall in love. Never slipping, but the difference is the all above.
All I ask is that you hold it down for me, cause you told me you would be my everything. If it's love, then maybe put it on me. We could hustle this together, you and me, cause I told you I could be it.
guys, so the food is, oh, let me turn it up. So this is what I came up with, and it's about to eat down, okay? I feel like a lot of times I be cooking like little stuff, not full course meals and stuff. But I do cook full course meals, and since I'm doing YouTube and working out more, I do want to make sure that I'm eating more hearty meals and not just salads all the time. So yeah. I haven't had beets in so long, and it's about to hit fall, so you know I'm about to indulge on the root vegetables. Cannot wait to start cooking squash, all different kind of stuff, soups. So if you guys enjoyed this power bowl today, I had a good hard full body workout, cleaned up the whole house, and this is the perfect way to end the night. I'm gonna watch a movie, take a shower, and go to bed. If you're not sure about beets, seasoning it the way I did, trust me, it won't taste like whatever people say it be tasting like dirt or whatever. It's actually really good. But all right.